Welcome to unboxing the Hard Ready brand HR-1 full blade kit. I'm Chris Rockhold at Rockhold Karate. Today I'm going to do an unboxing of the HR-1. This is a blade that I've wanted to have for a couple of years now, and now that's lined up right. Before it was either a supply issue or a budget issue, but everything worked out finally a few months ago, and was able to get one of these kits. So now, of course, I've been sitting on it for a few months. Now I have the chance to pop this open and see what's in the kit. So I'm going to get set up and be right back. And I'm back. I've got my HR-1 here. Came in the mail. So a little bag, UPS bag it looks like. It's all taped up pretty well. So we'll just tear into it, see what happens. Alrighty. I managed to miss the inner layer. Oh, look out. All right. Yeah. How cool is that? All right. Get that out of the way. Off you go. All right. So, here's the package. Look at that. Boom. Turn that up to where the camera can see that. And look at this. Got a pencil. Number 2. Hard Ready, everyday covered. HardReadyBrand.com. Look at that extra color for you guys. Thank you, Ryan and company. Oh, look in the card that came with it. So let's keep this number 2 pencil with you at all times, just in case. I'm not going to read that part for my channel. Wants to test you. A little centering there. Anyway, so that was cool. Very nice little gift, extra. So I will keep that with me at all times. All right, so we've got pretty straightforward packaging. Ziploc bag, waterproof. And they got a nice little card in here. And the box itself with the blade, and it looks like a little Allen wrench to where we can fix the sheath to go right or left. All right, so I'm going to read the card because why not? It's an unboxing after all. Just gotta have fun with this. So the HR-1 Fighting Blade. The Hard Ready series blades were designed for self-defense, firearm retention tool. Minimalist design, ideal for concealment. This is a fighting blade which adapts to the user's preferred method of carry, access, and deployment. An aluminum trainer is provided for those looking to enhance their skills. Why, of course. Single piece fixed blade, modified tanto, plain edge, retention ring, striking pommel, lanyard holes. They even get the specs on it. 2.5 blade length, which is legal to carry in Texas, but you can actually carry a samurai sword if you want nowadays. That's probably a subject for another video, so we'll check that out later. 7¼ overall length and 0.125 thickness. German steel, and let's see, Kydex molded stainless steel retention clip and stainless steel fasteners, ambidextrous carry, and of course their social media plugs. But if you follow me, I follow them. Everybody's following everybody. Bunch of stalkers on the internet. Anywho, all right, and of course the warning. My favorite part about any unboxing is always the warning labels. This is really tiny, that's why I have my glasses on. Blade is sharp. Improper use of blade may result in injury. Right. Keep blade away from body. Do not use if damaged. Handle with care. If not in use, store in seat. Keep out of sight, out of reach of children. All right, so there it is. Let's get that out of the way. All right, now the best part. Let's unbox this bad boy. Don't need that now. Off you go. Let's see what's first. Looks like the trainer. Pull that puppy out of here. Come on. There we go. And get off my camera. There we go. Nice little cardboard holder. Dun, dun, dun. Oh yeah. Look at that. It's got the ring. Okay. See that against the white background there. It's a darker blue. And very nice. Put that against there. All right. Actually, I want to put that here. And here. So you can carry this multiple ways. Okay, you can have the ring in there. Hold it like so. Hold it like so. Yes, this will be fun to train with later. Well, don't worry, we'll do a separate video review. Uh-oh. Apparently I did not remove that properly. Oh, there it is. Okay, there's the sheath. All right. Looks like stainless steel, hardened plastic. It's got the lanyard holes. And, oh yeah, the tool. Where'd the tool go? Uh-oh. I dropped it. I'll have to find that in a minute. Anyway, it came with the tool. I saw it a second ago. Probably fell out. Oop. Oh well. Anywho. It's gotta be another blooper for the video. Ooh, that is quite nice. Alrighty. So there it is, the actual live blade itself. Very nice, little extra something on there. Probably because no one's used it yet. Okay. Clicks right in. Nice, ready to go. So there it is. Got the actual blade and the training blade. And the best part about that is I can put the training blade inside and practice with that as well. So get into that later, but that'll just clip onto the belt, clips inside, good to go. Prefer whatever side, whatever grip you're gonna use. So if I'm doing reverse grip, I'll probably flip that around. But if I'm gonna pull here so I can use like so, I'll keep it this way. Lots of versatility on this. Looking forward to playing with that. Now let's put the actual blade back in there. Well, let's see how sharp this sucker is because, you know. Oh yeah, that's good. Don't worry, I'll do a separate video where we test it out and different things. All right. So there you have it, the unboxing of the HR-1 full blade kit and bonus #2 pencil. Pen is mightier than the sword, or is the pencil mightier than the sword? We'll have to find out another time. And that is unboxing the Hard Ready brand HR-1 full blade kit. Be sure to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell up there for new video notifications. And in the next video, we'll see what else we unbox. Until then, keep sharpening your mind, your body, and your character. Take it easy. And there's the outtakes. What's up, camera? I see you. Welcome to unboxing the Hard Ready brand. All right, you right there. Looking at you, buddy. Now I can get some stuff done. Maybe, barring any interruptions. All right, let's get to work here. That was pretty smooth. All right, let's put that back in there. Let's go ahead and take this off. Maybe. Quality merchandise, it's not going to come out easily. That's a good clip. All right. So smooth. Love it. You're still here?